Are you tired of using soap loaded with chemicals and fragrances? Check out Hero Soap Company. Their soaps contain natural ingredients that are handcrafted and infused with the finest essential oils and pumice for a true clean. Hero Soap Company is veteran-owned, and a portion of Hero Company sales will be donated to charities that help veterans, police, and fire rescue. Memberships start as low as $4.99 a month, and you can have your soap delivered directly to your door. This month, when you buy a subscription, you'll get 20% off your order. That's Hero Soap Company. Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, January 4th, 2020. Deadly wildfires continue to devastate Australia into the new year. So far, over 1,500 homes have been destroyed, as well as over 2,500 other buildings and facilities. 23 people have died, as well as over 500 million animals. Volatile winds and record-breaking temperatures up to 48.9 degrees Celsius are continuing to fuel the fires, and they are generating so much heat that they are creating their own weather systems, including dry lightning storms and fire tornadoes. These fires have been catastrophic for the future of the country's native flora and fauna. Scorching heat and high winds are expected to continue through the weekend. The Steamboat Geyser in Yellowstone continued to experience increased activity in December of 2019, with eruptions on the 8th, 18th, and 26th. This brings the total number of eruptions for 2019 to 48. This exceeds the previous record in 2018 of 32 eruptions. The record before that was 29 eruptions in 1964. Scientists believe that the geyser is entering a period of enhanced activity and will continue to closely monitor the geyser. Over the past week, eruptive activity at the Krakatau volcano in Indonesia has been increasing. Moderate explosive activity has become nearly continuous, with ash emissions up to 4 kilometers above sea level. Increased periods of volcanic tremors recorded by the seismic network indicate that fresh magma may be headed to the surface. A new eruption is now occurring at the Shishaldin volcano in Alaska since January 3rd, ejecting ash up to 7.5 kilometers above sea level, accompanied by moderate seismic activity. The aviation color code remains at orange, and the alert level is watch. On January 2nd, nearly 100,000 people were evacuated in Jakarta, Indonesia, after severe flash flooding killed over 21 people. Severe heavy monsoon rain has been hitting the area, causing rivers to rise and submerging at least 169 neighborhoods and causing dangerous landslides. Some areas experienced up to 15 inches of rain in just 24 hours. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.